Snapchat slow motion video, how to do it. Want that smooth slow mo effect on Snapchat? Here is how to do slow motion video on Snapchat step by step. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, once inside the Snapchat app, all you have to do is press and hold the record button to take a video. So now, once you take a video after recording, all you have to do is swipe left or right on the previous screen to browse filters. Look for the turtle icon. This is the slow motion filter. Once it is applied, hit the send arrow or save it to memories or camera roll. This will slow down the middle section of your video, great for effects and dramatic moments. Once you see the throttle icon, it means the slow motion is added on your video. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.